In this video, I'm going to tell you about a hidden traffic formula. Now, this is a great traffic formula if you're interested in making money online through affiliate marketing or other ways. So what hidden traffic formula is it's a training course by James and Max, two seven-figure affiliate marketers who over on Warrior Plus, who have been doing it for 10 years or more, and they've made millions online. So stay till the end, and I'll let you know about how all the people who are making big money online, how they're actually doing it, and so it's really worth it that you stay till the end and watch this, okay? Because that's something that I've discovered this year. Okay, so hidden traffic formula. So what it is, it's a training course revealing what the hidden traffic formula is. This is great for someone who doesn't really want to do video, because it doesn't involve video. So for instance, if you're interested in making money online but you don't want to do video, then this is another source. And the reason why it's really good is because it's hidden. Almost no one is using it. And what it is, it's like a text base, in that you can write, let's say for instance, like this is a review of a product as course. You could review a course like this, but instead of doing a video, you can write out, or you can get AI to do it, where you can do a review of video. And what this is a platform that's used by millions of people visit it, and almost no people online are using it. So it's a fantastic traffic source that almost no one's using, and you don't have to make video. And what's unique about it is there's others that are like, if you imagine there's LinkedIn and Reddit, they've got millions of people using it. But you can't put affiliate links on those. You will get kicked out almost immediately, and you get your account closed down. Okay, I think it just doesn't allow it. But this traffic source, you can put affiliate links on there. So that makes it unique. The fact that it has millions of visitors, and you can put affiliate links on it. Okay, so that's why it's good. Okay, I'm going to tell you a bit about it. So the course, what they do is, to start with, they reveal you what is the hidden traffic formula. Okay, and I'd never heard of it, and it is really a really good hidden traffic formula. I don't know why people aren't using it, and they should, because it's great. I think it's probably better than having things like a blog. A blog can be good because it's searchable on Google, but this is also searchable on Google, which is another benefit. So you could get found on Google. Your article, let's say for instance, your review could get found on Google, whatever it is you're promoting, and you can make sales from that because you've got an affiliate link there. Okay, so in the course, in addition to revealing what it is, they show you how to use it and what's the best way to use it. Now, also, James and Max are big into AI, so they also show you how you can use AI to make it super quick and simple. So instead of thinking, oh, how do I write a review for this product, you can let AI do it. So you just literally so let AI do it. You just use AI, ChatGPT or anything like that, and they show you a simple way of how to do that. Okay, and not only that, inside of it there are at least 3 other ways that you can make money without making any sales. Because this platform, you can actually make money from writing an article, which is great. So you could literally get AI to write the article, take you 5 to 10 minutes, and you can make money from it without making sales. Or even if you make sales, then great, you make money in 2 or 3 ways. So it's excellent. So yeah, I really recommend the product. It's only $13, and I think there's a few upsells if you want to take some of them. but it is very good in that it's something I've never heard of, and it is a real hidden traffic formula. In fact, it's more than a hidden traffic formula. It's a hidden traffic formula with various ways to make money, more than just making affiliate sales. Okay, so right, okay, now onto my final bit that I told you at the start of the video, is how guys make money online. Oh, before I start that, I'll put a link to the product on, if you want to check it out, yeah, in the description below. So I'll put a link to Hidden Traffic Formula. I highly recommend it. Okay, and so now what I said at the start of the video is how people make a lot of money online. How these people that are making 7 figures, you know, they're making, you know, $100,000 a month or more. How do they do it? You know, how come 99% of people probably don't make any money or very little? Yeah, and how they do it is they nearly all get a mentor. Okay, now some of them will have paid thousands, maybe even tens of thousands, to get a mentor to show them exactly what they need to do. So instead of having shiny object syndrome like most of us have had, yeah, and they've probably had it as well, and then they've probably thought, I've had enough of this, I need to pay an expert and learn exactly how to do it. And that is how most of the big earners have got to earning big money. They've got a mentor who's told them exactly the path to take and how to go about it. Now then, it doesn't have to cost you a fortune. It doesn't have to cost you thousands. I'm now on my second mentor. The first one cost me almost nothing, very little, and the second one has also cost me almost nothing, very little. And I honestly recommend that if you are serious about making money online, then you need to get a mentor. And I've found 2 great mentors, and what I'll do is I'll put a link into the description below. The both have got a school community, and I'll give you what I think is the best one, and I'll put a link in the description for that as well. Okay, so if you want to check out Hidden Traffic Formula, link in the description. And if you want to find out really how to make big money, you need a mentor, and you can join the free community